Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I will show you how you can make the soft reset of this device. So when your TV is not working, you cannot do anything with your remote control and also with this button below the Mi logo. You can perform the soft reset by unplugging your cable from the electricity for 15 seconds. So I'm going to make it right now. As you can see, the screen is blank, and here is the cable that I remove from the electricity, and after a few seconds we are going to plug it back. Okay, so right now I'm going to plug this cable back. Okay, and right now we have to wait a little bit, and then we can finally click and hold power key or use our remote control. Let's try to turn it on by using the remote control. And as you can see, the TV is going to be turned on, so wait a little bit. Okay, and as you can see, finally we are back, and that's how you can perform the soft reset of your TV. And right now it works, as you can see. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.